Meaning of hard currency.
Hard currency.
Hard currency.
Hard currency.
Hard currency. Hard currency refers to a currency that is widely accepted as a form of payment in international transactions and is seen as a stable and reliable store of value. It is usually issued by a country with a strong and stable economy, and is typically held as reserves by other countries or used for international trade. Examples of hard currencies include the US dollar, the euro, and the Japanese yen. The term hard implies its relative stability and strength compared to other currencies that may be subject to high inflation or fluctuation in value.